Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. Sony is back with one final smartphone launch in 2021 with Sony Xperia Pro Mark 1. This device promising a first-of-a-kind camera experience but with a very high price tag. Sony has already launched some pretty impressive Xperia devices this year with its £1,200 premium flagship Xperia 1 Mark III, which recently won Best Phone at the prestigious What Hi-Fi Awards. Now it seems Sony wants to take things up another notch with the launch of an even more expensive and feature-packed phone called the Xperia Pro Mark 1. This device was actually announced last month, but now we have more details including full specs and exactly how much it will cost. Let's start with all-important price because Xperia Pro Mark 1 definitely isn't a mid-range device at all. Those who are pre-ordering this phone will face a bill of £1,599, making this one of the most expensive phones Sony has ever made. In fact, it's one of the priciest phones in the market. If that cost hasn't put you off, then it seems like you could be in for a treat, especially if you enjoy snapping photos on your smartphone. That's because Sony is boasting that the Xperia Pro Mark 1 is the world's first smartphone to include a 1.0 type image sensor with face detection autofocus. This technology, which is usually found in Sony's award-winning RX100 V7 camera, should make it king when it comes to shooting images in low light. The Japanese technology giant is also promising improved high dynamic range and better bokeh effect when using this latest handset. Other bonus features on this camera include an advanced autofocus for blur-free images and 4K video recording at 120 fps. Like most Sony devices, there is a dedicated shutter button for simple shooting, and the company is introducing a new vlog monitor accessory for those wanting to try their hand at posting videos on platforms such as Instagram and YouTube. Of course, once you have snapped all of these photos and videos, you are going to need something nice to look at them. Luckily, the Xperia Pro Mark 1 comes with a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED screen that includes a 120Hz refresh rate for speedy scrolling. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus for improved durability, plus there's a 512GB of storage, all-day battery life and Dolby Atmos speakers. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.